Ever since humanity began exploring, we've been fascinated by the strange and the unexplained. Our planet is filled with wonders, but some discoveries are so bizarre they leave even the sharpest scientific minds scratching their heads. Today, we are re-diving into the mystery and counting down 10 creatures that science still can't quite figure out. Let's start with a modern enigma, the Montauk Monster. Back in 2008, this strange, hairless carcass with a beak-like snout and sharp teeth washed ashore in New York. Photos went viral, sparking wild theories. Was it a raccoon decomposed in a weird way? Or something from a secret lab? Despite the buzz, no official identification was ever confirmed, leaving it a creepy, unsolved puzzle. Next up, the Atacama humanoid, or Ata, this 6-inch tall skeleton. Found in Chile's Atacama Desert, looked eerily like a tiny alien. Its elongated skull and unusual bone structure baffled everyone. DNA tests suggested it was a human fetus with severe genetic mutations, but the specific combination of anomalies was unlike anything seen before. The debate over Ata's origin continues to this day. Then there's Ohio's very own Loveland frogman. Since the 1950s, people have reported seeing a 4-foot-tall, frog-like humanoid with leathery skin hopping around rivers and bridges. Even police officers claim to have spotted it in the 70s. While skeptics say it's just a big lizard or a misidentified animal, no one has ever managed to prove what it is, and the sightings keep trickling in. Now, for a real but incredibly mysterious animal, the oarfish. This deep-sea giant can grow up to 36 feet long and looks like a massive silvery ribbon. It's so rarely seen alive that it's believed to have inspired sea serpent legends for centuries. Scientists don't understand its behavior, and it has a strange habit of washing ashore before major earthquakes, earning it the nickname messenger from the sea god's palace. From the deep sea to the desert. Let's talk about the Mongolian Death Worm, according to local legends in the Gobi Desert. This terrifying creature spits corrosive acid and can deliver a lethal electric shock. Described as a thick, red worm, it supposedly hides beneath the sands. Numerous expeditions have searched for it, but no scientific evidence has ever been found. Is it just a myth or a master of hiding? Have you ever heard of globsters? These are massive, unidentified masses of organic matter that wash up on shorelines around the world. They often lack bones or any recognizable features, leading to wild speculation about sea monsters. While some have been identified as decomposing whale carcasses or giant squid, many remain a complete mystery, reminding us how little we know about what happens in the ocean's depths. Back in the US, we have the Jersey Devil for over 250 years. People in New Jersey, Pine Barrens, have told stories of a winged creature with a goat-like head and hooves. Hundreds of people, including police, claim to have seen or heard its terrifying screeches. Explanations range from folklore to a misidentified crane, but with no solid proof, this American legend continues to haunt the woods. Let's move to a creature we know is real but is still baffling. The Yeti crab, discovered near scorching hydrothermal vents deep in the Pacific. This crab has bizarre hairy arms. It seems to farm bacteria on its claws for food. How it survives in such a toxic hypershore environment is a biological marvel that scientists are still trying to understand. Our next mystery comes from the icy waters of the Antarctic, the Ningen. Japanese fishermen have reported seeing enormous, pale white, humanoid figures up to 90 feet long with arms and legs. While some dismiss them as giant rays or tricks of the light on icebergs, a few grainy photos and eyewitness accounts suggest something far stranger is lurking in the freezing depths. Finally, the faceless fish. This deep-sea creature was rediscovered off the coast of Australia after being lost to science for over a century. It truly has no visible face. Its mouth is on its underside, and its eyes are buried deep within its head. We know almost nothing about how this bizarre animal hunts, mates, or even sees in the crushing darkness of the abyss. From washed-up monsters to deep-sea oddities, these creatures remind us that our world is still full of secrets. They challenge what we think we know and prove that there are still amazing discoveries waiting to be made. What do you think these creatures are? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. See you next time.